How to fix Roblox error code 277. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first step, what you'll have to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. After that, move to the second step. That is, go to Play Store and then search for Roblox. If there is an update available, simply update it. And then after that, head over to your next step. That is, go to settings, go to apps, go to Roblox. Then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.